Everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1977 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, 53,000 mile survivor car, guys. Bought new in, I think it was Winston-Salem, North Carolina. It's been in the same family. Most of its life. All the original paperwork, original window sticker, original sales agreement, owner's manuals, build sheet. I mean, all that goes with the car too. It's all in the trunk here. Said it was very well maintained. It was started on a weekly basis. They did just service the air, some stuff like that, but really a survivor car. Factory color combination. This is code 13, which is a silver metallic. It's got the correct Z28 striping on it. The original black vinyl interior in it. Factory 4-speed car with the original reverse lockout trans still. Obviously you can pick it because it's unrestored, so there's touch-up marks, little stone packs, things like that. You can nitpick the car, but a very well-maintained, really survivor. The front spoiler, the center of that spoiler, that was replaced. I guess it got damaged, so they replaced that. Like I said, they just service the air, so the air does blow cold. Again, this stuff's original. Dual sport mirrors. Pretty car. Got the correct spoiler package for it. Again, as you can see, a little crack in the stripe. There's little things that you can pick on it, but really, for what this car is, extremely well-maintained car, guys. It's got the factory exhaust, but I think they said they replaced one muffler and a tailpipe. I think the car came factory with Firestones. They replaced those. It's got BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. Factory 15-inch rally wheels. Again, little touch-up marks. There's little things that you can pick at, but again, very nice. I just try to point out the stuff that I see, guys, because 90% of these cars are sold through the videos, sight unseen. That is a good looking car. I love the color. I love the color and the stripings. The first thing that drew me to the car. There used to be a guy here locally that had one of these almost identical car. His was an automatic. This is a 4-speed. Factory 350. Factory 4-barrel intake exhaust. We've really done nothing. I mean, other than wipe this thing down, we have done nothing to the car. The guys left it alone. Factory air. Like I say, they did service the air. It blows cold. Power steering, power disc brakes. And he said this car was started on a weekly basis. And it was always garage kept in a climate control environment. This is a remote mirror. There's your original door tags. Again, door seams are nice and clean. Really good looking car. looks great. I mean, you can see this car just, I mean, it looks like it should. It represents exactly what it's supposed to be. 53,598. Factory tack and gauges. Steering wheel's really nice. It's got the reverse lockout shifter, so you got to lift it up, put it in reverse to get the key out. Factory Delco AM/FM radio. Dash looks great. It is a factory F41 10 bolt 373 posi rear axle. That stuff's all correct for the car. It's got the F41 suspension. Original Space Saver spare with the canister. How about that? Build sheet, dealer sticker, odometer statement. Here's the window sticker. Actually, that might be a sales receipt. Yeah, sales receipt, sorry. All your manuals that go with it. Again, all that, the original odometer statement when it was picked up new. We'll add from it. Really just a good car. And boy, are these things starting to get hot. We had a little green one here a few weeks ago that drove everybody crazy, and they're definitely starting to come into their own. You can see how nice that dash is. Center console is really nice. It's not beat up at all. Choke works. Car runs and drives just as sweet as can be. That's a great car right there, guys. Tach works. Gauges all work. I don't think the clock works. That's the only thing I didn't think was in there. Everything opens and closes really nice. You know, those big heavy doors. Just a good car, man. Radio works, blower motor works. Again, everything opens and closes nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're keeping track of us. That's a good looking car there, man. Good looking piece of history right there. Now we're stuck.